Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video guys. Finally Claude Code has released another new exciting feature and its name is output style. Here you see that if you go to this Claude Code and if you just type this output, then you will find this output hyphen style, and another one is this output hyphen style new. So there is a lot of difference between this new and this default output style. I will discuss in this video that how it will work. But before that, if you are finding some information from this video, please don't forget to like this video guys, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Many of you don't subscribe and like this video, although I have provided you many information from this channel. Here you see that this Claude Code in this changelog.md in their GitHub repository, they have released this new output style in this 1.081 version. So if you have not updated your Claude Code, then just go to this Claude Code and there just write this Claude update, and you will be updated with the Claude Code latest version. Okay, now after that, here just press slash and then just write output, and you will find this output style. Just select this output style and press enter, and here you will find these three options. One is the default, another one is the explanatory, and the third one is the learning. What is the difference between these three? So basically Claude Code uses by default one system prompt to give your output, whatever the question that you have asked or whatever the task that you have given. Now the default is that their default system prompt, their default configuration, and here you see that this default is that Claude completes coding tasks efficiently and provides a concise responses. Okay, now if you want to change this Claude code behavior, then you can go to this explanatory and you can go to this learning. Now what are the difference between this explanatory and learning? Now let me tell you one example. With the help of that example, you will understand the difference between this explanatory and this learning. Here you see that this is the scenario. You ask Claude Code that write a Python function to calculate the square of a number. Now for the default style, that is the efficient and concise response, that is the Claude Code default system prompt, you will get this kind of output. This is the Python code, this is the output, and here you see that Claude has given only the output. It will not tell you that what is the reason behind this, what it has done, what is the mathematical actually the reason that they have done this num cross num. They have not given anything. But for this explanatory style, here you see that this is the detail with insight. So let me show you what is the interesting thing. Here you see that it has given this function, this depth square num, and this is the return num cross num, and also it has given this insight that why they have done these things and what is the reason behind this, blah blah blah. Okay, and now if you select this learning style, here you see that they have this explanatory and learning. So in case of explanatory, they will give you the step-by-step explanation that what they have done. Here you see. Now if you choose this learning style, then here you see that it will make you understand, and it will ask you the step-by-step question. So first of all, it will give you this format of this function, that depth square, but here you see that it has not given any solution. It is asking you to write the solution, to think the solution. Okay, so in this case, in this learning style, it will act as a teacher. Okay, I hope you know that ChatGPT some days ago released that study and learn feature. So if I open this ChatGPT, there you will find this study and learn feature. Okay, so this Claude new learning, this is actually same as that ChatGPT study and learn feature. Here they will tell you step by step, and they will teach you step by step that what you need to do and why you need to do this. Okay, in this way, here you see, to square a number you need to multiply it by itself. For example, 5 square is 5 cross 5. So this explanation, this kind of step by step process, it will ask you, and you can learn a lot of things from in this way. Okay, now you will ask me that we are modifying that Claude Code behavior, right? Then what is the necessary of this explanatory and learning, because we are completely modifying and thus that Claude Code default system prompt. So the thing is that sometimes what happens that we need some necessary information, but Claude Code what does that it simply changes the file, or it simply does the task without an explanation. And another thing is that if you want to learn something which is not related to code, or you can say that you want to learn the SQL, or you want to learn Node.js or React.js, you don't have the idea that much regarding that Node.js, React.js or anything. So in that case, you can go to this learning mode and you can ask it that I want to learn these things. Please teach me line by line. Okay. In that case, it will be very helpful. And in case of explanatory, it will give you the step-by-step explanation also. And another thing is that if you just write output style, and here you will find this output style new. Here you see output style new. Now if you select this output style new, you can create your custom output style, and here it will ask you that to create that custom output style. Here you see this is the output style setup and it is doing its work. And here you see it is done. You see that it is asking that what type of custom output style setup you want to do, and here you can mention like this. So I have one example, let me show you. And here you see that it is an example of custom output style, that I want an output style that encourages me with positive feedback and explains code in simple terms. Okay, this is the custom output style, and here you see that you have to provide this. So if I just write in this way, and if I just write this output style new, okay, and if I just copy this and paste it here, okay, and press enter, now here you see that it's transpiling, and it will create that output style folder in your current working directory. Okay, here you see that it has created that. It is transpiling. Do you want me to proceed? Yes. And it is doing its work. So after some time you will find that folder inside this .claude folder. Okay, so here you see it is telling me to search here in my I am in my Windows machine. So just go to this C users biplab, and there you will find this .claude folder, and there it will add that. Okay, that output style. So it will take some time to do that. So basically if I go to my this current users, and there go to my name, and there this .claude, and here it will add that output style folder. Okay, so in this way you can modify this Claude behavior. And here you see that it has added this name is encouraging, and this is the description. And here you see it has added many things like the communication style, the code example, provide clear, well commented examples, start with the simple examples before moving to more complex one, and include practical real world examples when possible, blah blah blah. So actually now the new output style is the encouraging. What it will do, that it will provide the positive feedback and explains the code concepts in simple and clear terms. Suppose you are working in a new code base, then in that case if you use this encouraging as a output style during the communication, then it will give you that clear and concise output. Okay, now at the one it is asking me do you want me to create that encouraging.md. Just click on this yes. Now it will do that. Now here you see that it has given me this path, C users biplab and Claude output style. So click on this yes, want to proceed, and I hope now it has added this. Yes, now here you see that it has added this output styles folder. Inside that we have this encouraging.md. So guys, if you found this video helpful, and if you are thinking that you have learned something from this video, please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel, because here you see that in this video you will find all of that detailed explanation video, and no one will teach you from this kind of from ground. Okay, but in this channel I always try to teach all of my subscribers so that they can learn in a simple and efficient way. And now if you want to change this output style, then in that case just click on this or press this output style, press enter, and here you see that we have now four output style. Now if you just move to this default, now it will be moved to that default output style. Okay, so now it will use that Claude default system prompt. Now you will get that more accurate coding answer. Okay, so I hope that you found this video helpful, guys. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video, and please watch the other videos also that I have already published for you guys only. Bye bye.